Will 75% criteria to be followed in the admissions in IITs, NITs and triple IITs or not? Many students are very much furious about it, and also they are in a huge confusion because there is no such official notice has been released by the conducting body. So in this video we are going to tell you the reasons that why 75% criteria should not be followed in the admissions through JEE. Till now what all changes will be done on these matters are: the Indian Institute of Technology (IITs) will discuss reducing the exam syllabus and changing the entrance exam format for the coming JEE Advanced. This, among the other proposals, will be pitched for discussion at the review meeting of Joint Admission Board (JAB). The meeting is scheduled to be held in the coming week, and the final decision will only be taken after the meeting, as such official notice were not released by NTA till now. This year, the IIT Delhi is conducting the JEE Advanced examination. V. Ramagopala Rao confirmed the proposals on the format of exams, syllabus, social distancing norms are up for discussion in the review meeting next week. The decisions will be taken after JAB's nod and would be for the JEE Advanced 2020. As reported earlier, IITs are also considering doing away with the board exam requirements for the entrance examination for the year. This is being done as several boards including CPSE and CISE have decided not to go ahead with pending board exams and devise their own assessment schemes. Before further proceeding in this video, if you want to aware with the latest news and want to solve your career related queries, then definitely follow our Instagram page. The link is in description box below. Also, we have uploaded the news on Instagram before than the YouTube. Now let's talk about some of the major reasons that why this 75% criteria should be removed. Number 1. As we all know that different boards like CPSE and CISE had cancelled the rest of their class 12th examinations due to pandemic outbreak and have given the marks of those subjects on the basis of average marks of the remaining subjects. In such a situation, the petitioner can file in the student's court that this injustice was done with us. We are unable to give the exams due to COVID crisis. Even after that, NTA has kept the criteria of 75% for admissions. Number 2. With this, CPSE and CISE board have not yet released their merit list. However, every year they used to release their merit list with the result itself, and it is revealed by the sources that they will not be releasing their list this year. It is also an indication that 75% rule will not be followed for IIT admission this year. One more suggestion we want to give to our audience is that the future is not only in IITs, NITs or triple IITs. There are many state government colleges which have very much potential than many IITs, NITs or triple IITs. And also, these colleges don't have any specific class 12 percentage criteria. We can make a detailed video about all the state government colleges, their eligibility criteria and their requirements. If you want it, then please let us know in comment section below. So please don't need to worry about the 75% criteria. There will not be any injustice with anyone. Stay updated with us. It's our responsibility to keep you updated with latest educational news and trends. We know that during this pandemic situations, many students have some or other career related questions in their minds, or they have some dilemma related to their career. So feel free to connect with us on any of our social media platform. We will love to answer all your questions. If you are watching this video on Instagram, do follow our page, and if you are watching this on YouTube, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.